What's up, party people? And you know it's a party because it's Friday, and you know how much I love Friday. So let's just get to it. Let's just talk about what's really going on. Amazon did what? Whole Foods did what? Now the question is, before we enter the show, who's watching? Isn't that the question that we really need to ask ourselves right now? Is who's watching and who's benefiting from all of these chicken dinners? Because man, we just keep finding the winners, and every single day we break them down. And Amazon and Whole Foods did a big deal today. Would you like to know what they did? Well, you came to the right place. You came to the right place. You sure did. It's making me want to do the thump and jump. And the freak is currently in the Dominican Republic. So I'm pretty sure that we may have some new footage soon. It's true. I mean, he's going to be there for 2 weeks. So can you imagine what type of footage we could get from the freak? So Amazon's Jeff Bezos is $2.8 billion richer after Whole Foods buyout deal. Jeff Bezos is having some fun on Friday. Oh, he loves Friday. Sure does. $2.8 billion. 2.8 billion reasons to love a Friday. The 34.39 or 3.6% surge in Amazon.com Inc. Amazon 2.9% currently up today after the deal to buy Whole Foods Market Inc. WFM, which is currently up 28.72%. Wow. What a move. WFM. You better put it on your radar right now. And you think I'm not going to show you? You think we're not going to show you what's trending? We're going to show you what's trending. WFM is up 28% right now. And it's because they've been bought out by Amazon. Wow. What a deal. Let's take a look. So this is boosting the Amazon co-founder and CEO's coffers by about $2.75 billion. Bezos is Amazon's largest shareholder with 79.9 million shares, or 16.7% of the shares outstanding, according to FactSet. Millions of people love Whole Foods Market because they offer the best natural and organic foods, and they make it fun and eat healthy. Bezos said in a statement, Amazon stock has run up 33% this year, while the S&P 500 SPX is currently down just slightly, 0.16%, 0.16 of 1%. So less than 0.2%. And it currently has gained 8.5% this year, which is good, but not as good as what Amazon has done, up 33% so far this year. That's right, it's true. Amazon. Now let's take a look and see a little bit more about Amazon. Now, if we take a look at the overall markets, now Amazon is the story today. Everybody wants to talk about Amazon. So right now, the Dow Jones is down 4.5 points. The S&P 500 is down 3.8 points. The NASDAQ is down 21 points. The global Dow is down, it's up 5 points. Gold is up 1.7 points. And oil is up slightly 0.19 of a point. So right now, Amazon is taking all the attention today. It's all over the news. Biggest move, biggest acquisition, huge move. Everybody's talking about it. Let's take a look. It's a $13.7 billion buyout. And this is huge. So what has occurred here is Whole Foods stock has started to explode. Now you could see here, unless you were an insider or you knew this was going to happen, nobody knew this was going to happen. It just exploded out of the gate right to $42. So you can see that they're up 28%, but it's traded 102 million shares. So that is astronomical. This is not normal for Whole Foods to trade like this. So you need to immediately put Whole Foods on your radar. You need to put it on your watch list right now. It is on full alert right now. Whole Foods and Amazon as well. I think Amazon has to be in full alert category. Amazon, already one of the most powerful companies in the galaxy, just got more powerful, acquiring Whole Foods for $13.7 billion. Wow. And the stock, for some reason, that 1,000 mark is like a barrier that nobody can break. Google can't break it. Amazon can't break it. Can you break it, Amazon? Wow, what an acquisition. What a team. Amazon and Whole Foods teaming up. This is absolutely incredible. What do you think about this news? Do you think this is big news that Amazon has acquired Whole Foods? You can see that Whole Foods is up 28%. Buy on rumors, sell on news. So I'm not suggesting you guys buy this immediately. I'm saying date it. I'm going to start to date it right now. No need to go buy it. Just date it. Nothing serious. Just date it. Just date it. So now the question is, where does Whole Foods go from here? I think it's definitely going to go up. I mean, that's just assuming. But Amazon, Whole Foods teaming up, I can't even imagine what ideas they have and what possibly could happen here for Whole Foods. I mean, what is Amazon thinking? Why did they acquire Whole Foods? Are you going to be able to buy Whole Foods now through Amazon? And are they going to do something really cool? They're going to have it obviously delivered to your home. This is incredible. You're just going to order it through Amazon. It's going to come to your home, and people aren't even going to do their shopping anymore. They're going to just do their shopping for their groceries on Amazon. I think it's just crazy. Amazon is brilliant. And you can see here with Amazon, they're currently making a move to be one of the most powerful companies, if not the most powerful company in the world, in the galaxy, in the universe. And my goodness, who doesn't want to jump on the Amazon train right now? It is a freight train. It is on fire. And I mean, I don't know what to really say. I don't know what to say. I'm almost at a loss for words. And that's hard to believe, I know, because I'm very rarely at a loss for words. Very rarely at a loss for words. But this is one of those times where, I don't know, it's different. I don't know why it's different. I don't know why it feels different. But this feels like a very, very, very big move. I don't know. Do you guys feel that way? Amazon? You are the news. I mean, your stock goes to 1,000. it goes under 1,000, and then you just go and say, we'll just acquire Whole Foods for 13.7 billion. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to think. When you're this big and you're this powerful like Amazon is, you could pretty much just go and acquire anybody. It's true. I mean, they just threw around 13 billion and said, hey, you know what? We didn't like the fact that our stock went to 1,000 and then it came back down to 960. No. Let's go back to 1,000. Let's just acquire Whole Foods. And then look what happens to Whole Foods. Their stock immediately jumps 28.9%. So what does this tell you? It tells you that success leaves clues. Follow the winners, and at the end of this rainbow is a chicken dinner. It's true. Just imagine if there's a chicken dinner right there. And I mean, Father's Day is coming, so maybe some of you guys, some of you dads out there, you deserve a chicken or even a turkey. Surf and turf? Crab legs? Octopus? Some of you fathers out there, you have yourselves a incredible Father's Day, okay? And you make sure you eat a lot of incredible dinner. And you make sure you follow the winners. Because this right here, these guys, they just partnered with Amazon. So I think that makes them a big winner right here, with like a big W right here for winning. Big W for winning. Now, if you're not winning, I understand. You're probably just not watching. I get that. I totally get it. There are a lot of other channels that you can go and watch. But what we want to do here is we really want to truly identify the winners. We want to talk about what's trending. We want to talk about who's winning. And we want to talk about why. Okay? We want to make it really simple for you guys to understand so that anybody can do it. It doesn't matter if you're a teenager just learning about the markets, or if you're a senior citizen and you've been trading for years, or you're a senior citizen and you're just new to trading too. Anybody can trade. Everybody's always learning and getting better at trading. And when you've been in the markets for a long time, you start to learn there's different tendencies. And if you follow the patterns, you can win. You are going to lose sometimes. You're going to be some bumps in the roads. There's going to be things that aren't going to go your way. That's the way the markets work. And a lot of the large hedge funds, to protect themselves against that, they actually go on both sides. So let's just say that they're buying Amazon. They will have a 50% long position and a 50% short position on Amazon to kind of hedge their bets, so that if Amazon does go down, they're protected. If Amazon does go up, they're protected. Now you say you're not going to make as much money. It's true, you won't make as much money, but when you're playing with billions of dollars like large hedge funds are, even on these small little spreads, they can make a fortune. So that's the game within the game that's happening in these markets. And the guys on the inside, the guys on Wall Street and Bay Street and all the other major floors of all the major currencies all over the globe that are making these deals work, they are the only ones that truly know what's going to happen before it happens. So the only way you can really be on their level is to just invest in their company. Now, if you've been investing in Amazon, you're up 33% since January. It's pretty good. And because they have so much money and they continue to grow and they continue to acquire their growth, which is brilliant, which I talk about using their stock and cash to acquire companies because they're so wealthy, why not just acquire more? They're just going to acquire the world. Facebook, Amazon, Google, they're acquiring their growth. Google owns YouTube. We love you, YouTube. And Google owns you. And that's a great partnership. Amazon now owns Whole Foods. That is an incredible partnership. This to me is a bullseye. As we just hit 29% up, this to me is a bullseye of winning right here. I can't see how this fails. At $42, I even think this is an incredible buy. I mean, think about it. Amazon is at 1,000 and they just acquired Whole Foods. And this just went up 28%. Do you not, 29% now, do you not think that it's not going to go up more? I mean, I don't know. Remember, Rich TV Live is just for entertainment and education purposes. I'm not an expert. I've clearly been wrong many times. I've been right many times. But this stock right here, I can't see how they fail. No, they already heard that. I can't see how they fail. I mean, they're in the food business. Organic produce delivered to your home through Amazon seems like a winner. And I mean, as I speak, it's up now 29.1%, which really makes you wonder who's watching. Because, I mean, if you're watching, you guys clearly see that you're winning. I love Amazon and I love Whole Foods. It's just an incredible buyout here. An incredible movement. And an incredible move by a really brilliant company. And I put Whole Foods on the level of Amazon as being a brilliant company too. To do this deal, to put Whole Foods on the map on a global scale. Wow. This just takes Whole Foods to a whole nother level. What do you guys think? Kenny, what do you think, man? Do you think Whole Foods is a buy? I want to know. Let's see what Bar Chart thinks. I mean, it's up 28%. I don't like to chase stocks. Look at this, guys. Wow. See this? Bar Chart thinks it's a buy. They do. It's true. A 96% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Long-term, the trend strength is in the top 1%. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of this trend. Whole Foods market WFM climbing as we speak. My goodness. I think that this is in full alert territory. This is full alert. How could this not be a full alert?
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove.
So as you see here, Whole Foods is up 53% in the last year. It's at an all-time high. So be careful. It could retract. But man. Let's read this. Wow, Whole Foods, eh? What a move. What a move. I don't understand what's going on here. Let's just shrink this up a little bit here. What do you guys think about this move? Now, Whole Foods Market is the largest purveyor of natural foods in the world. They own and operate the country's largest chain of natural food supermarkets. They are like an old-fashioned neighborhood grocery store, an organic farmer's market, a European bakery, a New York deli, a modern supermarket. Wow! I think this is huge. I think this is the future of grocery shopping. I think this is an incredible move, and I think success leaves clues. And this is something that, when you think about it, food is recession proof because this is a 96% buy, top 1% signal strength. When you have this type of momentum right now, this can run for a while. And this, I believe, might be the beginning of something bigger. Now, I might be wrong. This could come back for sure, but I don't know. They're now partnered with Amazon. I think long term, the future looks very bright for Whole Foods. And I think now that they are working with Amazon, I think you can imagine they're in the food business. I think we can anticipate that this stock is going to climb. I mean, that's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Now, I know you guys are talking to me right now about another stock. Let's take a look at some other stocks first. Before I get into that, let's bring out the Angel of Mercy. HOS on the New York Stock Exchange, up 30%, traded 6 million shares. HOS, Hornbeck, HOS, follow HOS. We're going to start dating right now. How about this one? CLSN, up 41.7% on the NASDAQ. I've talked about it before. It's on fire. Up. Huge. Traded 6.6 million shares. And Fuego at $2.87 on the NASDAQ, now at $2.90. Do you have CLSN on your watch list? Are you buying CLSN? Are you winning? Well, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Because this right here, it's got chicken dinner red all over it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What about this one? ADOM. Up 26% and $9.20 on the NASDAQ. The volume isn't huge, but at these prices, it's a lot of money. We're going to start dating. ADOM, success leaves clues. Why are you up 26%? Don't chase it. Date it. Watch it. Get to know it. Know its financials. Know its management team. Know its products. Know its revenues. Know its news. Get to know the companies you own. Learn to love them. And you'll win. It's true. Follow your gut. Everybody's gut's different, and everybody has a different affinity for different stocks. And some of you out there, you're winners. It's true. Now look at this. GBTC. Ooh, yeah. Up 7%. Went all the way down to 297. Would have been an incredible sniper move. And now it's all the way back up to 407. Up 7% today. These stocks go up and these stocks go down extremely quickly. So you have to understand, you got to position yourselves accordingly. You got to understand, when they go up, it's a time to sell. Don't get emotional, people. Don't get attached to these stocks. They're not going to be attached to you, so why would you be attached to them? When they go down, you buy them, and when they go up, you sell them. You buy in the red and you sell in the green. That is the best way to win. Look for great companies that have great management, great product, and what's the third one? Great management, Great product. Good revenue. Little to no debt. These are extremely important. And obviously they need to have an important and a strong share structure. And a smart company like Amazon, they're using their shares to go out and acquire their growth. But they have so much cash and shares, they can use cash too. They can do whatever they want. So when you're that big, you have the tools of the gods. When you're a smaller company, you might as well be using your shares to acquire your growth. Bitcoin Investment Trust, GBTC, this is becoming one of the most powerful companies in the world. They are currently trading at $406 a share. That is no joke. This is going to continue. This company is going to get more recognized, more noticed, more recognition. It is a stock that is on the OTCQX, which is a very high tier stock, and it is a company that has hundreds of millions of dollars, and it is 9% of BTC, of Bitcoin. So this is a really good reflection of Bitcoin, one of the biggest and best reflections of Bitcoin out there, if you're looking to invest in Bitcoin. So that is what is going on right now in the markets. Now, some of you are saying, Rich, BVTK is popping. BVTK is popping. Let's see. Wow, you are right. They are. Look at this explosion. Ooh, yeah. BVTK, Braftech Solutions Inc. Now, you know what? We're going to have to do some due diligence on this company. They're up 43%, traded 415 million shares at 002. Let's take a look on bar chart and see what bar chart is. Wow, look at this. Bar chart's giving it a strong buy, an 88% buy on bar chart. With a stronger short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction, longer term the trend strength is strong. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. The market is approaching overbought territory. Be watchful of a trend reversal. Be careful, it is a penny stock, a sub-penny stock. Now, I'm telling you guys right now, I really believe that this could be a good buy. Let's see. Wow. So BBTK has come up from 0001 up 2,300%. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This deserves a full alert. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are now on a full alert. We're on a full alert. BBTK has gone from 0001 April 11th. 2 months ago, it is up 2,300%. In the last month, up 300% from 0006 up to 002. Kenny, we need to give this some attention.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
This is very interesting the way this is trading. Guys, we need to be on full alert on BVTK. It's a sub-penny stock. Be very careful. But they do have a lot of buying pressure. There's a lot of momentum. And they've come up from 0001 to 002 in the last 2 months, representing a 2,300% gain. And we need to give respect to the winners. And this right here is a winner. It's got chicken dinner written all over it. Now, it could turn around at any time. Be very careful. This is a... Let's take a look on OTC markets. Now, BVTK, after doing the due diligence, guys, has a stop sign. So I would not advise anybody to do anything until you do your due diligence first. because the company has currently a stop sign. So we got to figure out why there's a stop sign here. So my early indication here is there is something that needs to get fixed here right off the bat. Wow. BVTK has a BCSC cease trade order, and they have not had any news in a year. So this is interesting. I mean, I don't know why this is happening. There could be any reason. They could maybe be getting into the. Let's see. Let's see if there's any fine. I don't see any. Well, let's see. 8K. 8K, 8K, 8K. All right, let's read this. Let's see what there was last 8K. On June 6, 2017, Bravtech Solutions Inc., the company, entered into a strategic alliance agreement with HelpCom Inc., a telecom construction services corporation located in Manassas, Virginia, pursuant to which the company will provide at least $200,000 in business expansion funding to HelpCom within 10 business days of execution of the agreement, and 40% of profits from the services performed by HelpCom pursuant to receipt of the expansion funding from the company will be allotted to the company. The company will provide HelpCom up to an additional $100,000 of expansion funding per fiscal quarter. HelpCom will provide job-related purchase orders to the company for administration, accounting, and fund distribution. The company will provide project management and sales services to HelpCom, and the parties will support each other's marketing and promotional efforts. Interesting. So BVTK is providing $200,000 to HelpCom. So this is what is driving this. This is what is driving this move in BVTK. Ron, good move there, Ron. Ron is a sniper. Ron bought at 0006 and sold out, I believe, today, making and representing a really good gain for him. Now, we could see that BVTK is currently up. We could see 50% on the day. Now, if they actually provide $200,000 to this company, who knows? Maybe this could turn this company around. I need to do more due diligence. They have a stop sign. That's concerning. Typically, when a company has a stop sign, it's because they have an issue. Oh, wow, look at this. The offer is disappearing. It is going up as we speak, guys. Wow, look at this. Let's just watch this. This is crazy. Look at this. It's going up as we speak. Look at this. The offers are getting taken out. We're going to 2.5. We're going to 0025. This is level 2, guys. Watch. This is the power of Rich TV Live. Look at this. All the offers are disappearing. All the bids are exploding. 10 million shares on the bid. Look, the offer's about to disappear. This is exploding up as we speak. Watch this. The next buy that comes in is going to take it up to 225. We are watching BVTK live. Let's see if we can see it go to 2.5 right now. Or will someone jump the 2.5 and sit there at 2.4 and just sit there and sell? All we need is a big buy to come in. There it is. Boom. Now there's 13 million at 2.5. See that, guys? See how that happened? The big buy came in at 2.4. Now we should see some 2.4s pop up, and then some 2.5 should get hit, and then it should be up more than 50%. Watch. There it is. 315,000 shares popped up at 2.4. See that, guys? Can you see that clearly? I want to be able to show you guys this so you can see the trades coming in. All the trades are coming in on the offer. 1,000 trades are coming in on the offer. Now we're at 2.5, up 56%. This is the power of level 2, guys. This is why I use level 2 to trade. You can literally be making money just doing trades and making these little spreads, because on level 2 you can literally see the buying and selling pressure. Now, I don't necessarily think it's going to go higher than 2.5. Look at that. See that? Another person jumped the 2.4, crushed the 2.4, is now sitting there on the 2.4. Literally as I said that. And the reason is because they saw 13 million shares sitting on the offer, and they saw all that selling pressure. They got scared, so they said, forget, I'm not waiting. And they jumped the offer and are sitting at the offer now, trying to make sure that they can sell their position. This is what happens in the markets. This is why I'm telling you guys, the markets are a war zone. There's literally a war zone in the markets. You can see it. There's a war zone in the markets. And you guys got to understand and learn how to play the game within the game. This company has a stop sign, but they are in the process of acquiring a telecom company, a telecom construction company, which I showed you guys. And that's how these companies make moves. They acquire other companies with either cash or stock, and then that enhances their balance sheets, thus allows them to justify a higher share price. And it's the market makers that determine the share price. It's not these promoters and anybody that's beating their chest trying to say, hey, it's me trying to take this stock up. Now, there are different people that could try to take credit for it. Like, yeah, I'm talking about it right now, and I could say, yeah, there are people watching, and probably people might be buying. It's possible. I hear people saying that they buy stocks all the time because I'm talking about them. I don't necessarily want you guys to buy stock that's up 50% on the day. However, it's the momentum that we want to bring to your attention. We want you to date the stock, to watch it. I want you guys to understand how to go and do your due diligence, like I just showed you guys, to go onto OTC markets, do your due diligence, pull up the company's financials, pull up their filings, look at their 8Ks, look at their Qs, see why the stock is going up 43, 50%, why it's trading 435 million shares, because at the end of the day, when you see something trading 435 million shares at 002, that's a lot of shares, and that's actually a lot of money, okay? So when you trade 100 million shares at 002, that's 200 grand. So that's $800,000 that's gone through this market today. So say what you want, but when you have that many shares going through the market at these prices, there's a lot of money that you can make. And there's a lot of people that are raising money right now, even at these levels. And eventually, if they run out of some of this paper that they're selling, the market's going to say, hey, this needs to be trading a higher price. And that momentum could push this even higher, where you could see yourself an opportunity to make some really good money. So this could be a great opportunity. It might not be. I just want to bring it to your attention because the guys in the room brought it to our attention. Thank you, Ron, for bringing it to our attention. Thank you for bringing BVTK to our attention. And hey, Martin Stanley brought it to our attention. If you're a promoter, hey, you know what? I don't got an issue with that. I got to give you respect if you're a promoter because you're up 50%. And you know what? I want to alert that to the public because you never know what could be the next stock that runs thousands of percent. And if it is up 50% in trading 436 million shares, it definitely deserves our attention. Now, BVTK, believe it or not, is actually talking to us about coming on our show. So, hey, BVTK, if you're watching, we'd love to have you guys on the show. Let's make it happen. That's what I say. Let's do it. If we can do it, you know what I mean? That's what, that's what I'm all about. Let's make it happen. All right? So if we can make it happen, let's make it happen. That's what I'm all about. And let's find a way to We can help you with getting rid of that stop sign. We can clean this all up. Don't you even worry about that. We can help you with all of that. Okay? Now, that's what's going on in the markets, guys. Now, let's take a look real quickly, real back at Amazon. As you can see, Amazon is climbing at $995. I see it crushing 1,000 very, very soon. And Whole Foods is climbing. As you guys see, they're literally climbing, since I've been talking about it on the show, up 29.6%. Now up to $42.83. A lot of people starting to believe that this is a huge opportunity, and I may just have to go buy some after this show myself, to be quite honest with you, because I just believe in the power of Amazon. And I think that if you're partnering with Amazon and you're in the food business, I just think that this success leaves clues, and I got to get me some Whole Foods, and I'm going to buy me some, like literally today. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And let's take a look at all the other hot stocks. HOS up 32%. What is bouncing, people? CLSN up 40%. Ooh, yeah. It's a winner. ADOM up 28%. And BVTK up 49%. Now, do you want to get the news? Just go to Rich TV. Find everything Bitcoin right there. Everything you need to know is right here over my shoulder on Rich TV Live. I mean, we got all the news. Goldman Sachs CEO joined Twitter after reading a book by this billion. Larry Summers, 5 reasons why the Fed may be making a mistake. Trump confirms he's under investigation. Appears to be attack on deputy. Look at the news on Rich TV Live. We're talking about everything trending. There it is. Amazon buy Whole Foods in a deal valued at $13.7 billion. Let's just click on that. It is everywhere. It is everywhere. It is breaking news. It is everywhere. And that is what we do. We break the news first. Here live on Rich TV Live. That's what we do. We break the news first. And guess what? Don't we have Amazon listed on our tickers? Isn't Amazon listed on our tickers? Listen, Mark, if you can go in there, man, and you can change the tickers and you can add Whole Foods, I think that would be a great idea. We also got the price of Bitcoin listed on Rich TV, so you don't got to go anywhere else either. Right there, Bitcoin, 2478 USD. Litecoin, 3164 USD. And Ethereum might be the next Bitcoin, people. $350 USD. Wow. Who doesn't love Bitcoin? We love Bitcoin. If you need to buy Bitcoin, go to Rich TV. Click on Coin Mama. I'm getting verified for $10,000 right now. You can get verified for up to $1 million. It's true. Coin Mama. Now look at this. Who is showing you the winners? Look at all that green weed at $7.77, up 3%. TWMJF in America, up 3.26%. Organogram, up 2.85%. Aurora Cannabis, up 5%. Afira, up 4%. GBTC, up 6%. MGTI, one of the largest miners of cryptocurrencies in America, up 1%. All of these winners are identified right on Rich TV Live. We've been streaming them right before your eyes. These winners were already there, people. We find the winners. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company, $255,000 a share. Oh yeah, it's a winner. Yeah, they pay a 20% dividend annually on average over the last 20 years. Not bad, eh? And Amazon, look who's featuring Amazon. Mark, could you feature Whole Foods, WFM, right beside Amazon? Let's feature Whole Foods right beside them. I think they're going to be a big winner. We want to feature them right here on the rich list, the rich picks. We love Facebook. They're in the green, 0.4%. We love Berkshire Hathaway, even though they're down slightly. We love Amazon, up 31 points today, up 3%. We love BTSC, up 13% today. Bitcoin services, look at our picks. More in the green than in the red today, aren't they? That's right. Success leaves clues. The only losers today are Google, down slightly, just 4 points, and Apple down slightly, less than even a point. So we'll let it be for now. But we want everybody in the green here on the rich picks every day. We want everything in the green. I'm going to get that fixed. That's the plan here. Every single day, you just go to Rich TV, you find all the winners right there. Every single day. Every day, all the winners right there in one place. Every day, all the news that's trending, every day in one place. Every day, all the top Bitcoin cryptocurrencies that are trending in one place. Every day, the only place you need to go to find the news in one place. Look, Amazon is buying Whole Foods for $13.7 billion. You find the news right on Rich TV. Amazon deal is disruptive, says Kramer. You find the news on Rich TV. It's disrupting the rest of the world. It's going to destroy and put all the other food companies out of business. Understand? Because what they're going to do is everybody's going to be buying their food and their groceries through Whole Foods online, and Amazon is brilliant, and now nobody's going to go to the grocery store. So all the grocery stores are going to be put out of business. It's true. So this is what the issue is. It's a cause and effect. There's a cause and effect to everything. Now, if you want to go and you want to figure out where to go and buy Bitcoin, all you got to do is go to the mama, the Coin Mama. Go to Coin Mama to buy your Bitcoin. And if you want to trade your cryptocurrencies, you just go to Livecoin. It's so simple. And if you want a wallet, you just download your blockchain wallet on your phone, and then you transfer your money from Coin Mama into blockchain, and then from blockchain to Livecoin. It's that simple. And you start to trade. It's that simple, people. It's true. So, do you see a future in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? I don't know. I mean, it's up to you guys. You guys tell me, do you see a future in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Because I sure do. I sure do. And I think that there's such a big future that I'm banking on it, that it is going to change and revolutionize the way that we do our banking. I think it's going to potentially destroy, which is not a good thing. It could potentially just destroy our banking system. I think it's going to potentially destroy, which is not a good thing. It could potentially just destroy our banking system. I think it's going to potentially destroy. And that's the problem. That's the problem. Why would we want to destroy our banking system? We need to coincide. We need them to coexist. We need them both to succeed. Now, we stream live every single day on the greatest streaming platform on the planet, YouTube. And now we are streaming live on the second greatest platform on the planet, richtvlive.com. And you too can now buy your Bitcoin right on Rich TV Live, absolutely free. I don't want your money. Just follow the links. We are all affiliated. Let's help each other acquire Bitcoin. I can teach you how you too can acquire, mine, and get Bitcoin. Just by simply talking about Bitcoin and helping other people get set up with Bitcoin accounts, you too can earn Bitcoin. We can all win together. This is an opportunity for us to communicate and win and help each other together. We can all win. Everybody can win. And I'm telling you right now, Amazon is the future. And Whole Foods is the future. And I'm jumping on the train. And I know I've said I'm not buying stocks that are being featured on my show. I've done it before, but you know what? I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go buy me some Amazon right now, and I'm going to go buy me some Whole Foods. I'm going to break the rules just because I just have to. Because I want in. I want in. I'm getting in. I want in the cryptocurrencies. I'm getting in. Coin Mama! Open my account, Coin Mama! Get me verified. It takes a little time to get verified, guys. It's legitimate. That's why. They want your ID. They want to verify you. You know, I've heard some people get verified in 40 minutes. Some people take 2 days. I'm still waiting to get verified. Once I get verified, I'm going live into Livecoin. It's true. I'm going and I'm getting in the game. And I'm getting into Livecoin. Just follow the link. I've already got my account. I'm getting ready to trade. Once you get into Livecoin, guys, it's this simple. Are you ready? It's so cool. You just hit the login. And you just go in there. And you just start trading. Now, I'm not going to go log in my account right now, this second. But I want you guys to go set up your accounts. It's free. And just see the matrix. Get in the matrix. Don't you want to get in the matrix? Aren't you interested? Don't you want to know what is going on with the Unigot? Look at that. Unigot is getting max volume attention. The Unigot. Could it possibly be because of Rich TV? Could it possibly be because we've been talking about Unigot every day? Do we have something to do with this? The question that I have for you guys is, who's watching? Who's really watching? Because we are bringing the livecoin.net opportunity to the globe. This is the greatest platform to trade cryptocurrencies. And it's free. And the fees are minuscule. 0.2%. 0.2%. Less than 1% trading fees, guys. So get your livecoin.net accounts right now. Set them up. Follow the link on Rich TV Live. It's easy. It's free. It costs you nothing. And we get the chance to win together. And then you guys can start using your affiliate link to go and get your friends and family to set up their accounts with Coin Mama and Livecoin, and you can make money when they buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and altcoins. It's an incredible sharing community opportunity where if we can all get in now in the ground floor, early stages of its existence. I know a lot of you are laughing saying it's not in the early stages. It's been around for 7 years. But for a lot of us now that are mainstream that don't know about Bitcoin, this is the early stages. And if we can get in now in the early stages, this is an opportunity of a lifetime before a lot of these companies and these coins just explode. We have the opportunity, and a lot of them have already exploded. We still have the opportunity to get in early. And I know a lot of people that have got in even a month ago and they're already up. So It would be silly for us not to set ourselves up and position ourselves to take advantage of some of these opportunities of a lifetime. Okay? And I'm going to do it, and I hope you do it, and I suggest you do it, and I wish you guys all the best, and I wish you guys only success. Okay? I only want you guys to win. I only want you guys to succeed. I only want the best for all of the subscribers and everybody that's watching Rich TV Live from all over the world. I feel very blessed and grateful. We have people watching from over 50 countries globally on Rich TV Live, all over the world, in all of the different countries, on so many different social media platforms. And we are open-minded here. We're everywhere. We're on Steam It, we're on Snapchat, we're on YouTube, we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on LinkedIn, we're on Lively, we're on Live Me, we're everywhere. And anything I didn't mention, like Tumblr, we're on there. I mean, we are everywhere. So we are growing daily, and we're growing a lot of different ways. And a lot of times you don't see it because it's behind the scenes. But I really want to say that I'm thankful to everybody. I really appreciate all the support. And we are growing, and we're growing exponentially. And it's exciting. And it's exciting to be a part of it. And we want to continue to bring you guys the winners. As I speak, Whole Foods is about to hit almost $43. So I'm going to go right now. I got to go get me some. I'm not letting this go up in my face any longer. I want to get me some Amazon too. We've been talking about it throughout the whole show. Amazon has been climbing. It will be hitting 1,000. And I'm going to get me some right now before it does. So guys, have yourselves a great weekend. Hey, all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day. Dad, if you're watching, I love you. Happy Father's Day. To all my friends and family that are fathers out there, I love you guys all. Happy Father's Day, man. And just have a great weekend. I wish you guys all the best, the success. And for those of you guys that are trading cryptocurrencies, hey, may the force be with you. We trade 24/7. That's the beauty of cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrencies never sleep. We literally are making money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We literally never sleep. This is a revolution, and I want you, the people, to win. So if you're not winning, hey, you're not watching. And if you're not watching, it's okay. I understand. I get it. I don't agree. I don't agree. It's true. But I understand. You're entitled to your opinion. I don't agree with it. I don't. Like, listen up. Listen.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn.
I can't give you guys any more clues. All I'm telling you is success leaves clues. And we're going to the top. Tick-tock.
Yeah.
Tick-tock. We're going to the top. Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like down below and comment on my show. Because all I do is bring you winners. Ooh, yeah. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Peace. Oh, we just hit $43. We just hit $43. And who called it first? That's right. I'll go buy me some right now before it goes higher. Peace. Happy Father's Day, guys.